Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 125 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equal to 30. Now this 125 can be written as 5 to the power of 3. So 5 to the power of 3 whole power x plus 5 to the power of x equal to 30. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 5 power x whole power 3 plus 5 power x equal to 30. Now let us assume that 5 power x equal to y. This is equation number 1. Now applying this 5 power x here, which is y power 3 plus y equal to 30. Now y power 3 plus y, we are moving this left hand side 30, minus 30 equal to 0. Now y power 3 plus y minus 27 minus 3 equal to 0. Now y power 3 minus 27 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now y power 3 minus 27 can be written as 3 power 3 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula that a power 3 minus b power 3 equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This we are going to apply here. So y minus 3 y square plus y3 plus 3 square plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now y minus 3 y square plus 3y plus this is 3 square is 9 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now this y minus 3, this y minus 3 common we are going to take. So y minus 3 open bracket y square plus 3y plus 9, here it is 1 equal to 0. Now y minus 3 y square plus 3y, 9 plus 1 is 10 equal to 0. Now we have two equations, that one is y minus 3 equal to 0, other one is y square plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Now from this equation y equal to moving this minus 3 right hand side, which comes 3. So y equal to 3. Now recall the equation 1, which is 5 power x equal to y. Now applying here 5 power x equal to y is here 3. Now take a log on both sides. Log 5 power x equal to log 3. Now log power formula here is x log 5 equal to log 3. Now divide log 5 on both sides. Log 5 here, log 5. Now this log 5 cancels this log 5. So x equal to log 3 by log 5. Now x equal to log 3 base 5. This is the x value. Now we are going to apply this. The equation here is y square plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 10, y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 times 1 is times here 10 by 2 times of 1. So minus 3 plus or minus this 3 square is 9 minus this is 40 by 2. Minus 3 plus or minus square root of this is minus 31 by 2. Now minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 times square root of minus 1 by 2. Now minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 minus square root is I by 2. This is the y value. Now y can be replaced with 5 power x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31i by 2. This is not possible to find the x value from this. So now we are going to verify 125 power x plus 5 power x equal to 30. Now x here is log 3 base 5. So this 125 can be written as 5 power 3 whole power x plus 5 power x equal to 30. Here we are going to apply x value. So power 3 times log 3 base 5 plus 5 to the power of log 3 base 5 equal to 30. Now, according to this log power formula, this 3 comes here. So, 5 to the power of log 3 to the power of 3 base 5 plus 5 to the power of log 3 base 5 equal to 30. Now, 5 to the power of log, this is 27 base 5 plus 5 log 3 base 5 equal to 30. Now, we are going to apply this formula here. A power log b base a equal to b. This formula we are going to apply here. 27 plus 3 equal to 30. So 27 plus 3 here is 30 equal to 30. So LHS equal to RHS. This is very fast. Thanks for watching this video.